Today I sell my bags and accessories, and today it's a huge bag drop day, so let's go. Hi guys, and welcome back on this YouTube channel. I'm very excited about today's bag drop. We have huge, amazing, lots and tons of bags and accessories to see today. If you don't know me yet, my name is Margot alias margavalux. I'm 28 years old. I'm French, but I live in Spain, in Barcelona. And I created my own company with my boyfriend, which is called bamluxurystore.com. So you can go and check the website. We sell worldwide. We ship worldwide. Wherever you are, we ship to you. And I want to make a special thank you to Je suis Lou. Thank you so much for the video you made on this Sunday. I'm very grateful. I really love her. She's just amazing. I love her videos, obviously, forever. And yeah, I'm forever grateful to be able to work with her. This is just amazing. So thank you so much again, like a lot. Okay, today I have tons of bags, more than usual, because we decided to make like a huge bag drop day for the Je suis Lou video. So I hope you're gonna enjoy it. We have lots of new bags. I hope you subscribe to the newsletter. If you did not, you can go on the website, menu, early access, you enter your email and you will receive the email at 6 p.m. because this video goes out at 6:30 p.m. Paris time. I will put you on the screen the New York City time, LA time, and whatever. As you were able to see or not on the last video of Je suis Lou, I will put you the video here. Do not hesitate to watch it after this one or come back after. She unboxed a Lady Dior, and we have one here also. So today we were able to find you different Lady Dior, different bags that I have here hidden around me, and I will show it to you bags per bags. So the first bag I want to show you that is on sale right now on the website is this amazing Lady Dior. It's a medium size for this one. It is just beautiful. This is gorgeous. I really love it. This is a vintage one, black one, gold hardware. This is gorgeous. The condition of this one is very good. Like, it's insane how the condition is. Corners are very, very, very good. You have like little damage here and here in the corners up, but otherwise they are amazing. Even the handles are in very good condition, I would say, but it's a bit used here and here, but otherwise pristine condition. Okay, now I'm gonna just open because we have the zipper. I'm excited because I love this bag. I was like very hesitating by keeping the bag because I want a bag like this forever. So now the inside of the bag is very good. We have no stain inside. This is a beautiful red inside fabric. We have a little zipper pocket here. We have everything. We have the code. Everything is gorgeous for this one. I really like it. And for the price, guys, I'm gonna give you the price in euro, but I will add on the screen the approximate price for USD. If you go on the website, you will have the price in USD, UK, pounds, and whatever. It will be automatic, like depending on where you are. In euro, this bag is 2,200 euro. This is quite amazing because the quality of this one is just insane. Like, this is gorgeous. Okay, we will have to go fast because I have tons of bags today. I don't want the video to be too long, so we will go quite fast. You have every description on the products below this video in description, so do not hesitate to go on the website. We have now a Chanel bag. This one is beautiful. I love it. This is kind of a tote. This is a beige lambskin leather. We have a palladium hardware. This bag is just gorgeous. Look at this. The color was kind of remade. It was taken care of, obviously, because this is a vintage. You have very few stain on the bottom of the bag, but otherwise this bag is perfect. I love it, actually. You have like also a little stain here, but it's very small. What can I say about this one? So the condition is very good. On the inside, this is actually very big. You have 3 different pockets. So you have one pocket on the front, like fabric inside, a very good condition. You have another one where you can open and close with the zipper, so it's actually super nice. Inside this pocket, you have other pockets. For this bag, we have the papers and we have the authenticity card. So I'm very excited. We have two other pockets. You have two other pockets inside the bag, zipper pockets. So it's very cool. You have a bit of pen marks inside on this one, but it's very little. So, you know, it's nothing that big. It's a very huge pocket. And you have another one here. You have very few little stain and pen marks on the bottom of it. But you know, it's quite okay. Of course, we have a sticker just here, so I'm very excited, and we have authenticity card and little papers, so it's very nice. Concerning the price for this amazing baby, we have a price of 1,150 euro. This is a gift from us to you. This is a very little price. Okay, now I'm gonna go for a small SLG because we had like 2 bags so far. I'm going to go for a Chanel SLG. We have the box for this one. So for this one, we have the dust bag. We open it together. We have the authenticity card. So I always put like usually authenticity card in a plastic thing to take care of it, just not to damage it. And then we have a beautiful wallet, black patent leather, insane. This is a beautiful one, very good condition, guys. I'm just saying. So in the front, you have a button impression where, as you can open it, we have a black lambskin leather inside, multiple card slots. You can put lots and tons of cards here. You have another section here where we have a sticker. This starts with the 14. And on the other side, you have a zipper for coin sections when you have 2 sections. So it's in very good condition, I must say. It's amazing. I love it. Also, for this one, you have a smaller pocket here, so it's very good. The patent leather is in very good condition. Corners are amazing. It's insane, like it's beautiful, and the price is going to be very low because this one is perfect. It's like a full set also. I'm impressed. And the price for this one is 450 euro. So we're gonna continue because we have tons of things to show you today, but this one is also a gift, like very nice price. I'm gonna go for a bag this time, and I'm gonna go, I think, for this beautiful baby. We have a Louis Vuitton croissant bag, monogram Kenda, very good condition. I'm excited. Canva is in such a good condition, no stain, nothing. I'm very impressed. What else can I say? We have the strap here, so you can change the size of the strap if you want. And leather parts is caramelized. You have very few little stains. It's very little, so it's almost not noticeable, but you have some on the leather parts, of course, because it's leather. The zipper works super fine for this bag, so you can open and close the bag very well. Inside of the bag is suede leather, red suede leather. This is beautiful. You have 2 pockets. Inside is very good condition, I must say. This is gorgeous. We still have a little paper from Louis Vuitton. I must say this is good. But otherwise, we have a very, very gorgeous bag. So for the price for this one, I have it here. It's 1,020 euro. I will add on the screen also the retail price, the price in the boutique. It's now crazy. So we have a very good price for you right now. Okay, now I want to show you again another bag. Ta-da! We have another Lady Dior bag. So today is Lady Dior bag day, I must say, because Lou chose Lady Dior, like Lou unboxed Lady Dior, and I know you guys love it as much as I do. So I had this amazing beauty. This one is not as thin as others. This is what I love about this one, is these little details. This is just gorgeous. The bag is a color like pink fuchsia, just amazing. Palladium silver hardware. Very good condition for this one. I'm impressed. We had the strap for this one, so I'm just gonna add it right now for you to see. And I believe, yeah, I have papers for this one. I'll try to get everything here. So I have the papers for this one and the authenticity card, so I'm very excited actually. So this is a very good one. outside of the bag is very good. It has like, you can see it was dark a little bit on this part, but it's not that, it's not actually, well, no. And I have nothing to say because the bag is in such a good condition. I'm impressed. Like the inside of the bag is perfect, no stain. You have a zipper part, perfect. And the price for this one is 2,290 euro. This is a very special limited edition. We have authenticity card, papers, and yeah, the strap. So yeah, if you want it, let me know very, very quickly or go on the website to buy it directly. Now I'm going to show you another small SLG. So it's going to be this very cute, like little cutie. So this one is a key holder pouch. So this one is for keys, or for me, I would use it as a coin pocket also, like to put all my coins. And yeah, but you can add your keys if you want. You can add whatever you want, not to lose. But yeah, it's a very nice one. Canva is very good. It was used a bit for the hardware, and inside is dark brown leather. Very good condition, I must say, nothing to say, it's very nice. And so for the price for this one, it's 196 euro. Even here, it's in very good condition, I must say. It's such a very useful item, so go get it. I want to show you now a Chanel bag that I have. So we have a wallet and chain from the brand Chanel. This one is red patent leather. This is insane, I must say. I just love it so much. This is crazy. This is a beautiful red shiny patent leather. Palladium hardware silver. I love the logo. And make a close-up. But otherwise, we're going to open this together. This one is, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. I was very hesitating on releasing this one or not because it's gorgeous. So we have the chain just here, very good condition as well. We have a very good condition. I'm just watching a bit more. The outside of it is perfect. Nothing to say. The inside now is also gorgeous. This is crazy. This one is almost as new. Like you have no stain, no weird trace, no marks, nothing. Here you have a first little pocket. We have the Chanel, obviously. And inside is gorgeous. Guys, it's new. I just don't have the box, but it's new. It's insane. Here you have the inside is also perfect. You can fit like credit cards, lots of things. You have another pocket here. Even like the coin section, usually you always have like some trace, some damage because it gets like dirty easily. But here it's perfect. Also here you have another pocket. And here I had the sticker just here. It's an 18 series. The bag is definitely as new. I have to say the bag is very, very good. And you are going to love the price actually because the price is 1,839 euro. This is a very low price for a wallet on chain. It's almost new. We have the sticker, no bag. I don't have the box. I don't have the authenticity card. This is why the price is very low. But this is a very, very, very cute little bag. It's for you, so go get it very fast. The only thing I would say, but it's very little, I almost not saw it. It's here, you have little trace, but you can almost not see them. It's very crazy how little it is, so no, it's gorgeous. You have to get it. Stay until the end because I have like a huge surprise for you at the end, so stay here until the end, okay? We ship worldwide. I don't know if I already say it or not, but we ship worldwide. You can go on the website and pay directly there, or you can contact me. I will create you an invoice and you can pay by bank transfer. Also, I want to show you a small SLG now. Louis Vuitton, small agenda, PM size, Canva monogram. Very, very good condition, as you can see. If you are interested, I think I have another one. I'm not sure, but I think I have one last also agenda. So if this one is sold, I have another one. So it's a little bit damaged here on the inside of it, but it's nothing because it's usually where you put your notes. If you want inserts for to-do lists, agendas, I can put a link on the description. But this one will be 175 euro. It's very cheap for this because it's in very good condition. Let's go for another bag. I have here a beautiful Alma monogram Canva Louis Vuitton bag. This is a medium size. This is gorgeous. I love it. This one is in very good condition. You have, of course, signs of wear, trace of wear on the bottom of the bag, on the leather parts, but it's well caramelized, still very good condition. You will be able to see the photos, but it's what makes the charm of the bag. Gold hardware, obviously. The hardware is very nice, actually. Caramelized here, but the handles are very nice. Everything is good on this one. No trace of wear on the Canva. It's very, very nice. And on the inside of the bag, beautiful. You have nothing inside. It's gorgeous. I think the bag was not used a lot, honestly. You have also the pocket inside. We have the serial number. I think the bag was almost not used, clearly because the condition is beautiful. The price for this one will be, well, is 510 euro. This is a very nice price for this type of bag. I have a last surprise for you. You're gonna love it. It's a Lady Dior. Ta-da! It's this one. It's the one Lou hesitated to get between this one and the other one. Finally, she chose a medium size, but she was in love also with this one that she loves for traveling or for everyday use. But she was clearly in love with it, like a lot. So this one is in very good condition. It's a vintage. It's the large size. So the outside of the bag is in very good condition. I'm just watching with you. Corners were remade, obviously, so it's very nice. Top handles are very cool. The only thing is that it's a little bit damaged here, but it's very little. We have, sorry, they were hidden inside the bag, but we have a gold hardware. This is very nice. Now the inside of the bag is very, very good, very big. It's a red, beautiful one. We have maybe 2 little stains, but it's very little inside. You almost cannot see them. And we have the inner pocket with the zipper very huge that you can open and close. I love this bag. Clearly, it's a very beautiful vintage one, and it's very nice, nice, nice. For the price for this one, it's 1,300 euro. So it's a very special gift for you. And I just wanted to thank Je suis Lou again. Thank you to everyone new to this YouTube channel. Do not hesitate to subscribe. If you have any questions, you can ask them in the comment section. I'd be very, very happy to reply to you and to exchange. So thank you so much again. Bisous.